This is one of the more popular mid-size manual awnings. According to the listing, it features a combination aluminum steel frame, 280 GRM squared UV and water-resistant polyester fabric, and a manual crank handle for extension and retraction. It offers a decent shaded area, almost equals 120 feet squared, and is marketed for decks, balconies, patios, and walls. What do users say? Many praise its robust frame and good shade coverage. It's often chosen for its balance of size and strength. Some reviews, however, caution about the clarity and ease of the instructions. One user says, "The instructions are not clear at all, but after the first assembly, the other two went fine." Another recurring negative, sagging or pooling under heavy rain if left extended, or loosening of fasteners over time. Some buyers also note that the torsion bars or support arms are just okay, not over-engineered, so caution in extreme weather is wise. Pros: good coverage area, solid performance in everyday sun, decent materials for the price. Cons: tricky installation, potential sag or water pooling, vulnerability in storms. If you get this, ensure the mounting structure is strong and retract during bad weather. All told, Outsunny's 12 feet by 10 feet retractable awning is one of the safer bets in a manual shade space. We share by links in description box so you or your viewers can jump to the listing quickly.